Welcome back to 1893 Racing. We're at Kentucky tonight. I skipped qualifying. I was having some computer problems. Anyway, 40 laps. Should
Still
be a
waiting
good time.
on 2 cars to grid.
See how it fares out.
Waiting on the final car to grid. You have 2 additional sets of tyres for this race. Be smooth and have a good run.
Here we go. Get myself adjusted in the VR here. Looks about right. Ooh, already got a wreck.
Oh, no car wreck.
Alright man, we're going green next time line. Alright man, line up on the inside row. Pit road is closed. It's the 22 car.
What am I starting?
Let the big car by.
19th, alright.
Past the 20, past the... Get ready. Green, green, green.
Green.
Got one outside. Stay low, there's a car on the high side. Stay low, there's a car on the high side. Still there. You're clear high, clear high.
I like this track, it's pretty smooth.
7.
Really don't have to lift in 1 and 2.
Outside. All clear, all clear.
Pleased by those guys. Thank you.
Stay low.
3 and 4, you gotta lift a little.
Stay low, there's a car on the high side.
Oh, alright.
Still there, hold your line. 3 wide, you're in the middle.
3 wide, wow.
30.591 outside. 2 wide there. Stay low, there's a car on the high side. Stay low.
Alright, 7.
There, hold your line.
Want to play prison rules, huh? I'll press you this early in the race.
Stay low, there's a car on the high side. Still there. 30.947. All clear, all clear. Got one outside. Still there, hold your line. Go low. You're clear high, clear high. Alright man, caution is out. Caution is out. Line up single file. Pit road is
Break
closed.
just enough.
On that fucking 4, man.
Yeah, 3 wide, no good in the
Thanks
beginning.
for saying that. For everyone in the top 5, I'm sorry for kicking it 3 wide on lap 1. I just didn't want to run into the back of the guy in front of me, and I didn't want whoever was behind me to run into me, so I just got out of the way.
Pit road is now open. the 6th car. Past the 7, past the... Pit road is closed.
Yeah.
Alright, man, we're going green next time by. Alright, man, line up on the outside row now. Catch the 18th car. 36.859.
Here we go. Yeah, I got lucky on that last one. They spinning in front of me. Just hit the brakes just enough.
Get ready. The pace car is in.
Go ahead and go around me here on the right, on the outside.
Green, green, green. The lead is to the 36.112. Inside, clear low, 29.047. Stay high, there's a car on the low side. You're up top 3 wide. Hold your line. Inside, 2 wide there. Still there. Clear low, clear low. You got one inside. Stay high, 33.991. Stay high, there's a car on the low side. Stay high, there's a car on the low side. All clear, all clear. You got one inside. Still there, hold the line. Stay high, there's a car on the low side. Stay high, 30.608. Stay high, there's a car on the low side. spots left of the 6.
What are you doing, number one?
30.745, still there. Release to the 30.381. Still there. Clear low, clear low.
Sorry, yeah, I promised on my screen I was nowhere near you.
807. Outside. Stay low. On the high side. Stay low. Stay low. All clear, all clear.
Alright, so you want to get pushing? Here we go, buddy.
Inside. Stay high. Stay high. Stay high. Stay high. 31.033. All clear, all clear. You're losing on the car in front. The gap is 1 second.
Yeah, there we go, got by him.
To the 30.871, 31.161. Got one outside. Stay low. All clear, all clear. Good job, man. You're in the top 10.
Alright, get some tires.
It's the big car.
Pit stop, here it comes.
Yeah, one. That was not me, dude.
Pace car's on it too.
And I am so sorry. I was on the brakes and it locked up. Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Pit road is now open.
God damn it, guys.
Past the 20, past the,
And that's depressing.
past the 23,
Yeah, I
past
guess I've seen that one
the
before.
12, past the 5, past the...
That was crazy as hell.
Past the 12, past the...
That was some sorry shit there.
5, 3, 2, 1. Right here. We can only repair some of the damage.
No damage, Samurai.
Yeah, I got a 0x2 and someone rammed me right up the ass without any dinner.
Yeah, no, I'm glad I got all the damage from that. I just, like, even before he said the pace car was coming out, I was already on the brakes and it just locked up. I am so sorry, dude.
You're good, man.
Be mindful, you only have one set of
I'm
tires
not gonna lie, I didn't even think about the damage on the truck as much as I was like, damn, I have a 4X now.
Oh yeah, no, same here. That, like, the damage isn't gonna do
Jesus, I'm sorry.
I'm so sorry, dude.
You're good, brother. It is what it is. How the hell did you beat me off, Bowman?
It's the 18 car.
I can tell you that this is used to beat other people. It's one simple trick. Take 2 tires? Nah, I didn't take a windshield tear off. Ah!
Yeah, I'm sorry to whoever I murdered there. Sorry.
If you don't take the tear off, it saves you 1 to 2 tenths. Now you know. Most people I've found don't realize that the windshield tear-off actually costs you time.
I mean, I knew it probably cost you a little bit, but I didn't know it was that much.
Enough to take me from half pack in third to first. Hell yeah. Hey, 3, how'd you make out on damage, by the way?
Alright, man, we're going green next time.
I had a minute
Alright, man,
17,
line up on
but
the
I
inside
just
row.
got it all
Catch
fixed.
the 2 car.
Now I'm just trying to salvage what I can.
36.925.
Netcode giveth and netcode taketh away.
Yes, sir, it does. That's the rules I live by on this game.
I seen him coming in hot, and I was like, oh no.
I saw him when I heard the tires squealing, and it was too late by then. All I could do was hold on and hope that I didn't hit anyone else.
Oh, I'm just glad you didn't get damaged. Like, I had it locked down, and then it just locked up on me, and I had no control over it.
I haven't seen that
All right,
before,
let's
but
finish
I've
this
seen it
out.
in
14
open
laps,
wheels, not in the truck.
15 laps,
It's definitely odd.
14 at the line.
Oh, it definitely caught me off. Like, I was on the brakes, and then it just locked up, and then it just hooked sideways.
Get ready. Alright, man. 8 cars in.
No, I'll let you go on the outside. Don't run to the back.
Green, green, green. Shoot on 30.
No more exits,
3, 4, 6,
please.
outside, 29.137, you're on the bottom, 3 wide. You're all clear, clear all around. Outside.
Gotta watch out for the AT, and he's dangerous.
Stay low, there's a car on the high side. Stay low, there's a car on the high side. 33.652. Stay low. All clear, all clear. Got one outside. Still there? What's the line? Stay low. You're clear high, clear high. Got one outside, 30.796. Still there? What's the line? Car in 3, 2, just 50 boxes left. 30.156. You're clear high, clear high. Inside. Still there. Stay high, there's the car on the low side.
It's all you, bro. You can have it.
Stay high. 30.708.
Oh, thank you, man.
Still there. Stay high. Clear low, clear low. You got one inside. Send it towards the line. 30.872. Still there. Stay high. Stay high. Stay high. All clear, all clear. Inside. Still there. Towards the line. Clear low, clear low. 30.753. You got one inside. Stay high. Release it. Shoot up 30.322. Still there. Towards the line. Clear low, clear low.
turn 3 and 4. I lose too much ground on this.
Got one outside. Still there. All clear, all clear.
God damn, son, you almost killed you there.
Inside. Still there. 5 left to go. 31.067. Stay high. Racing on the low side. All clear, all clear. Going well. Big minute. Left to go. 31.258. All right, man.
Did someone turn the lights out? No, I guess not. Oops. Sorry, I was recording. I need the lights for the VR. We got a warning saying there wasn't enough light in the space. There we go. Oh, shit. Okay, okay.
Good on all 14, nice one, 16.
Outside.
Good day, everyone in the
Back
top 5.
flag. It's over. We'll get them next time.
All right, thanks for tuning in. We'll get some more races up here. I've been going through some computer problems and do a
Burn it
swap
down,
out.
Bryce.
Anyway, take care.